Hello dear students. Today we shall learn Prose Unit 4 Whatever We Do written by Clifford Martis. Children, always we try to perform our work in a better way, isn't it? Yes. We should improve ourselves in our words and actions. In this lesson, the writer discusses about the politeness in our words and action and about our courtesy. He gives some suggestions of politeness and courtesy in our words and action. Children, come to the first paragraph of the lesson. Whatever we do, let's try to do it better. Our actions, our words, whatever it is, let us try to do it better. Success, they say, is a journey and not a destination. We can say progress also is a journey and not a destination. Therefore, we need not feel complacent that we are doing better. We must not be satisfied with our work. We should try to improve our work and words constantly. Come to the second paragraph. If I want to thank someone, I can say thanks. But suppose I say thanks a lot, wouldn't it be better? Depending upon the time and the situation, we can try and improve this even further and say, I am very grateful to you, or you have been of great help. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and so on. In the second paragraph, the writer says, if we want to thank someone, it's better to say, I am very grateful to you, or you have been of great help. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Instead of saying thanks, say thanks a lot. Come to the third paragraph. This is a simple case of expressing gratitude. But when we think a little more, we can learn to do or say things in a better way by giving some thought to our action or speech. I had an appointment with a person who was senior to me in our erstwhile company. I was a bit late and trying to make amends. I said, I am sorry I made you wait. Oh, it's okay, he said and added, it's a pleasure waiting for you. I felt flattered. One might argue that the other person might have said it without any thinking. Even then, I would say that I like to hear such statements unless, of course, they were said sarcastically. Hearing these words, he felt very happy, he felt flattered, he felt very happy. One might argue that the other person might have said it without any thinking. The author says he would like to hear such statements unless they were said ironically. Come to the next paragraph. When we speak about saying or doing things better, a question arises about comparison because better usually follows than. Wise people say that we should compare ourselves with our own selves. We should compare our performance of last year and see whether we are doing better or not now. Fifth paragraph. One of the ways in which we can do better is by adding words to our actions and also adding actions to our words. Let me tell you about an incident. I'm waiting for the lift. The lift came down and I found that two fellows, shouldn't I say persons or even better gentlemen, started removing packets which were fully occupying the lift. I noticed that they did the job fairly fast, giving me an impression that they did not want to delay me. In a little while, they finished the job and I got into the lift and went to my training center. The author says, we can do better by adding words to our actions and also adding actions to our words. The author narrator gives an example of an incident of his own. He was waiting for the lift. The lift came down and he found that two fellows started removing packets which were fully occupying the lift. They did not want to delay him. They finished the job and narrator went to his training class. In the class, I mentioned this incident and asked the trainees to explain how this particular situation would have been rendered better. A couple of trainees did mention that the two gentlemen who were removing the packets could have said just something like, "1 minute, sir, we will finish in no time." Nice answer. Don't you agree? I would have made such a difference. But another trainee said, "You could have thought of lending a helping hand to them." He went to his training class and he explained how this particular situation would have been rendered better. Some answered that the two gentlemen could request, "1 minute, sir, we will finish in no time." Another one said, "You could have thought of lending a helping hand to them." It's a very refined answer. Come to the sixth paragraph. You go to a shop and ask for something. Most often, the shopkeeper or the salesperson reaches out to the item you want and hands it over to you. No word, nothing. Suppose he were to say just two words, "Yes, sir." In posh restaurants, the waiters or stewards to say good morning or some such thing and then ask for your order. But have you noticed how the waiters in most of our restaurants, in spite of the fact that the food and ambience are quite good, they usually come and stand near you expecting you to place the order. Suppose they say just two words, "Yes, sir." The author discussed about the behavior of the shopkeeper or the salesperson. Instead of doing their job without a word, at least they could say the words, "Yes, sir." In the same way, writers or stewards should behave in a polite way. At least they may say good morning, "Yes, sir," for our orders. But most of the waiters or stewards don't speak even single word, though the food and ambience are quite good. Doctors treating patients can take their jobs much better if they choose to talk nicely to their patients. A word here or a word there. Most doctors are serious or even stern. Probably they imply that they are doing serious work. But talking nicely and reassuringly is also a part of treatment, isn't it? It is said that a couple of friendly words from the doctor or even a smile can go a long way in making the patient feel better. The author says doctors treating patients can make their jobs better if they choose to talk nicely to their patients. Most doctors are serious or even stern. No smile on the face, but it is said that a couple of friendly words from the doctor or even a smile can go a long way in making the patient feel better. Children, remaining part of the lesson will be explained in the next video. Thank you.